Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, September 29th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled We Tend to Cling. I envy the tree, how it reaches but never holds. I envy the tree, how it reaches but never holds. Things that matter come and go, but being touched and feeling life move on, we tend to cling and hold on, not wanting anything to change. Of course, this fails, and things do change. Often, we are stubborn enough to go after what we think is leading, trying to manipulate and control the flow of life. Of course, this fails too. We can't stop life from flowing. So we're left with feeling what was and what is, and we call the difference loss. But all the clinging and holding only makes it worse. Now, new things come, and some of us anticipate the loss and just let the things of life go by without feeling them at all. I have done all these things, but when clear enough and open enough, I try to let things in, to let things touch me. I try not to poke and pull at them as they move through. It doesn't eliminate loss, but when trusting enough to let this happen, I am tuned like a heart held up to the wind. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft and completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a state in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, bring to mind a feeling you have tried to hold on to. How does that feel? What is it? Now bring to mind the feeling you have cut off. What is it? How does that feel? Now breathe slowly, steadily, and bring to mind something you're feeling deeply right now. And try to allow it in without interfering with its presence, without trying to holding it on, just letting it off. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this reflection, this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember the things that you're holding on to and the things that you're trying to identify. How can we reconcile them? As always, enjoy your discovery. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.